Hello, it's Judith and the Celestial team, who may or may not come through me now, this time. They really want me to tell you about who you are and navigating in this new paradigm of being that we're in. But they're directing the show, let's just put it that way. I can feel them. And you can too, if you open up and just let it happen. And I'd suggest while you listen and watch and connect with me and allow me to connect with you, that you drop your attention into your heart center. It's not hard, you just have to imagine it. And then imagine that your heart has eyes and ears and a brain, which it does, by the way, a multi-dimensional brain. But just imagine your heart there with eyes and ears and a brain taking this in. And you don't have to worry about whether you get it, whether you understand, whether it makes sense, whether you buy it or not, right? Just let your heart deal with it and relax. Take a deep breath and we'll go on with the new paradigm of being that we're in and who we are in it. First of all, we're hybrids. You want another deep breath? We are humans, but we are also galactic. We have ancestry in 5 other galaxies that seeded this planet. And we are here on this planet. We've been here for thousands of years, in fact, millions, to tell you the truth. Doing an amazing, you can call it experiment, but it's that and more. We're involved in an amazing process. And in the last video, I told you that we were here, seated with compassion, to bring that energy to the planet, to integrate all into one and share it with the universe. And what we've been doing is setting that up through our lifetimes. So we came here in order to experience all aspects of duality, everything. We have done everything, we've been everything. What we judge in someone, if it really triggers us, it's probably because in a few lifetimes ago, we did that or even worse. And we need to clear it, accept it, release it. We've done it all. And the reason is because in experiencing it all, we would get to the point that we're at now to remember that it's all part of one energy, that all of that we've been capable of. Us, we can do anything. And when we choose to explore, we can go into all areas. And when we choose to experiment, we can do all kinds of things. And some of the lifetimes that you've had in which you played the dark role, you were not necessarily doing because you didn't care about anybody. You were doing it to set up the whole game so that other beings out in the universe who have similar problems with dark and light could see how it works, how it plays out, and how to integrate it. Okay, take a deep breath. If you get a headache at any point while we're talking, we are talking telepathically. Get up, walk around, shake it out, come back when you're ready, and take in some more if you choose. It's always your choice. So, we've played all these roles, we've set it up, and now we're in the integration process. You could imagine us as being like white light. You know, white light, when it hits a prism, fractures into all different colors, right? And each color is there and it has its qualities, and yet what it really is part of one white light. That's us. That's this collective. That's you. So, to see it that way, you can also think of your chakra system. This is beautiful. It's a great metaphor because look at your chakras. You know how they have different colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and the crown chakra, which is iridescent. It's white. It shimmers. Okay, those are colors of the rainbow, right? So it's like you, and all of these are like aspects of you, fragments of you, issues, human issues they address. But when they all get balanced, and they all work together and spin together, they activate and they're white and whole again. Does that make sense? That's what we're doing. That's what we are doing. And you will remember, because it's in your genes, it's in your chromosomes, it's in your DNA, and it will activate. Even now as you're listening, codes, symbols, signs are going into your DNA, because you know that junk DNA they talk about? Why is it junk? Because they can't figure out what to do with it in the third dimension. But you are multidimensional, and you will know exactly what to do with it. Once you are able to understand that everything is one, everything in you, the things you judge, have compassion now. Compassion will integrate all. This is our great gift to the universe. You are a front runner, and I am honored to be able to connect with you in this way. This is Yeshua. We love you, beloved. We honor you. You are a diamond. You are precious. Whenever you see something you don't like, remember the other side. Bring it into balance and let yourself shine to yourself the way you shine to us, beloved. Always.